Hi, thanks for joining a new video. Today I'm unboxing the new Ray-Ban Meta glasses, second generation, in the Wayfarer style. Let's begin. When this video was recorded, the simplest version of these lenses cost 9,869 pesos in Mexico. You could choose a customized option which might change the price. How about you join me at the... Take the lenses out to check them? I see the made for iPhone stamp on the box, but it should work on Android too. Don't be misled by these stamps. Let's carefully remove it from the box and explore its main specifications and features in detail. We might also go through the setup process, so let's proceed to open this up and take a closer look. This is my first time opening a box like this. Congratulate me. Well, we've already begun on a great note with this unboxing experience, especially considering the success we've had just with opening the box. It's quite exciting to see how smoothly everything has gone so far. It provides us with a QR code here to initiate the scanning and begin the setup process. We will soon meet directly with the lenses, which will arrive in their own individual case, clearly. It is actually a carrying case, however, at the same time, in the pure style of headphones buy. For instance, it will serve as a charging case. Indeed, it follows the same formula with this. LED in the clasp. At the bottom we have the USB-C port, and on the back there's likely a button for linking. The case itself gives off a very premium feel. I'll provide more detailed information about the materials and other specifics in the full review. For now, just note that here are the lenses. Inside the case it says Ray-Ban Meta. You can't really see that it's the second generation from here. But let's take out the lenses to get a better look at them. Let's see, it seems like they're stuck together. What's happening here? There it is. These come with a small sticker covering the charging pins to protect the battery from deteriorating while stored, not yet purchased. Once you buy them, it's recommended to remove that foil. They are well protected in these areas. And keep in mind that we are discussing glasses that appear quite similar to regular glasses. That is the magic of this product. The fact that it resembles a typical accessory. It won't seem odd in your head and will surely be appealing. In just a moment, I will quickly explain what we can do, but for now, how about we go ahead and set them up? After that, we are going to scan the code located right here so that you can observe the process firsthand. It directs us to a page that subsequently redirects us to Google Play. I had already installed this application previously, but since I hadn't used it for quite some time, let's go ahead and update it. And there you have it. Now that it has been updated, let's open it up so it can guide us through the process. Keep in mind it's Meta we're talking about here, so it's going to offer some extra features besides just letting you connect to the device. Now what we aim to do is set up a device, so let's click right here. Naturally, you'll need to log in using your Meta account, which could be your Facebook or Instagram account, and there you have it. This section will inform us about the specific device we are utilizing. In our situation, it's Ray-Ban Meta, and we're actually discussing the second generation. Now, he isn't directly telling me that it's the second generation, but let's check. Here, it's instructing us to remove the protection, which we've already done. We'll place the lenses in the case, then we'll put them away over here. It mentions that they will light up blue. Let's observe. Let's wait. It's still showing white over there. We are going to wait for the light to stay in blue. It mentions that if we do not see the light in blue, we should hold down the button located on the back for a duration of 5 seconds. So let's wait for a bit and observe if it follows the traditional setup process. Now there it is, the light is in blue. We are going to indicate that it is already turned on in this particular shade of blue. Surely now we will just need to select it from the list. In fact, it is already appearing over here. The truth is, the process has been quite straightforward. Let's go ahead and confirm the pairing, and that's basically it. There's really not much more to do. Notice that the speakers are already connected. And that's it, it just takes a few seconds. It was truly a very streamlined process, and it was very fast. I like that because there are some other accessories that usually tend to give you more hassle or take much longer to pair with. In this case, just a couple of taps and done. Like any accessory, it downloads its update when first linked, so let's wait a few minutes. I'll return once it's finished. It has already downloaded the update, however, now I need to install it. So it still shows here that there are 7 minutes remaining, but if you notice, it takes this opportunity to provide us with some details about these lenses. For instance, it mentions that captures the best moments in life. One of the obvious advantages of this will be that you don't have to have your hands busy to capture the content. Right here, it now informs us to use Meta hands-free. Remember, we have a voice assistant to ask about anything, even things we're viewing in real time, which offers many benefits. Here's an example. We could record skating, sports, or similar activities, hands-free of course. Also, you can inquire about the weather by focusing on the sky, allowing Meta AI to see what you see and answer your questions. Here's yet another example of how you could capture these videos without using your hands. Surprise as well, it definitely provides you with a multitude of possibilities when recording your content. We'll be putting them to the test to examine how the stabilization issue is handled and not much more than that. We'll need to wait approximately 5 minutes for the update to install and then I'll get back to you. And well, it's already informing me that the lenses have been successfully updated. We'll click next and it will show the introductory tutorials. I'll choose Tell Me Anyway because I set up the last generation, not this one. It says to wear the glasses. My issue is I don't have prescription lenses, they're trial lenses, so I need to wear them over my own lenses to see clearly. But I'm just curious. Let's put them on and see what information it provides us. Look, as you can see, it's showing us how to take pictures. It instructs us to press the capture button once, and that's all there is to it. So let's give it a try. Here we have the capture button, we press it, and that's it. That's how we take the picture. It's quite straightforward. Now, it's also informing us that by holding down that button, we can record video. So let's proceed with this. Let's see, hold it down and that's it, we're recording. But I have to repeat the same gesture to stop the recording. Notice that here an LED lights up during the recording, indicating to people that you are recording them. We will need to see how visible it is in daylight, but let's go ahead and stop the video recording. And that's it. Now, these glasses not only come equipped with a camera for taking photos and videos, but they also include speakers so you can enjoy listening to music. Alright, so let's go ahead and touch the touchpad. Once the touchpad is in this section, then we'll tap it and that's all there is to it. We can also control the volume in this manner. We can move it up or down, it's really convenient. And to pause, we just touch it again. It's very intuitive and straightforward in that regard. Well, it seems like that's all. It indicates that we are ready. Here, it's providing us with the legal information regarding Meta and a bit about what we can do with it. As you observed, it's possible to connect your music apps such as Amazon Music or Spotify to play directly from the glasses. It also informs us that it can be linked to your WhatsApp Messenger or your phone. Additionally, it mentions that we have the option to select various styles of voices and different languages that we might find enjoyable. Interestingly, I noticed that Spanish is not listed as available here, but we'll explore this further in the detailed review. Currently, I'm just working on a basic initial configuration walkthrough. Here, we will be selecting several options and it will provide us with warnings about respecting people's privacy. It's crucial not to record anyone without their consent. Make sure the capture LED is visible and don't cover it under any circumstances. Of course, it's important to act responsibly when using these types of products. As you can see, we already have it set up over here. We have the option to change the name. In this section, we can display the gallery of the contents that we have captured, and that's essentially it. This is mostly what we can enjoy. However, I believe I was leaving out a crucial part of the unboxing. Here's something else, which is this cloth designed to clean the lenses and ensure they remain in good condition. On the other side, we have these small pieces of paper that provide the basic information about the product. Observe closely as you will also explain to us in detail approximately how it functions. Additionally, we have all the necessary security information available here, and that's all for now. However, keep in mind that in this particular instance, we are simply discussing an unboxing and an initial overview. Of course, later on, you will have a complete and thorough review where I will tell you absolutely everything you need to know about these lenses and how they have improved compared to the last generation. For now, we have reached the conclusion of this video.